Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be unboxing a low-end budget phone purchased from Too Good as a refurbished unit, and I have got the device at a much cheaper price from original selling price. It's the Redmi 6A by MI, and now as usual let's unbox and find out how it's turned out to be. So here is the box received from toogood.com. You can see it's completely sealed as of now. Let's cut through it and find out what's inside. And inside we have another Too Good branded box, which is also sealed and wrapped. And down below you can see the MRP printed as 6,475 rupees, but I have paid a total of 5,099 rupees for this. Now let's open up the box and cut all the seals. However, the packaging was nicely done by Too Good. And on opening, first we have the device wrapped in this plastic sheet, and the device seems to be fine, but we'll keep it aside for now. And further inside the box we have a congratulations card from Too Good and a warranty card. Furthermore, we have a charging brick included with the USB charging cable. It is a 5V 2A charger, and it is a Flipkart Smart Buy charging brick, so it should be enough for charging up the device. And now let's get back to the device. I can't see any scratches visible. It is very good in condition. The top audio port is fine. On the left side we have the microSD slot and a SIM slot intact. On the right side the power button and the volume button are also intact and clickable. The front display glass also doesn't have any visible scratches. Let's try powering on and check from inside. And while it's still booting, I will show you the physical condition of the device once again. The bottom USB seems to be a bit dirty, but should be fine. The back side, as seen before, no visible scratches. The camera lens also seems to be fine. So the phone is booted up to the home screen. And now let's check some of its functionality. First we'll do some typing. And the touch and the keyboard works fine. And let me check its Android version, and it is running Android 8 with the MIUI 10.3.3 version. Now let's dive into the camera app and check how it's click photo. So the camera is also fine, the shots is decent, and overall everything is working as expected. And that's all I wanted to share with you guys. And so to wrap up the video, I would say this is a decent phone for the price. It comes with a 18:9 720p plus display, a MediaTek Helio A22 chip with 2GB of RAM and 13MP shooter, which takes decent shots. So if someone is looking for a secondary phone, or someone want to give it as a gift for first Android user or to an aged person, this is a decent phone, and during the sale the price has dropped down to 4,500 rupees. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe and share if you have liked the video. Stay home, stay safe.